Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we completed some of the questions regarding to IIT JEE mains exam held on 16th March, shift 1. Now, see the next question. Among the 15th group elements, hydride of which element among the following acts as a strongest reducing agent? So, 15th group means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Consider the hydrides of these elements. Those are NH3, PH3, ASH3, SbH3, BiH3. These are the hydrides of 15th group elements: ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine. So here from ammonia to bismuthine, reducing power increases. Reducing power increases. What is meant by reducing power? Hydrogen liberating capacity. From ammonia to bismuthine, hydrogen donating capacity increases. That means BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent than remaining hydrides. Option D is the answer. Next, statement 1. CaCl2 6H2O MgCl2 6H2O is dehydrated on heating. This is incorrect statement. CaCl2 6H2O can be made anhydride simply by heating, but MgCl2 6H2O cannot be dehydrated on simple heating. What happens when we heat MgCl2 6H2O? See here, MgCl2 6H2O on simple heating undergo hydrolyzed. Then we can get MgO plus 2HCl plus 5H2O. These compounds we can get. But this MgCl2 6H2O can be converted to anhydrous by heating in presence of dry HCl gas. So MgCl2 6H2O is heated in presence of dry HCl gas. Then we can get anhydrous form MgCl2 plus 6H2O. So statement 1 is incorrect. CaCl2 6H2O we can convert into anhydrous simply on heating, but this compound cannot be converted to anhydrous form by simple heating. To get anhydrous form of this compound, we have to heat it in presence of dry HCl gas. Next, statement 2. In oxide of alkaline earth metal, BeO is amphoteric while other oxides are acidic in nature. This one also wrong, because in alkaline earth metal oxides, BeO is amphoteric. Up to this, that is correct, but other oxides are basic in nature. Other oxides are basic. So statement 1, statement 2, both are incorrect. Then what is the option? Option B is the answer for this question. Next, see the next one. Major product is, so this is a reactant. It is treated with dibol H. What is dibol H? Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Dibol H, complete form is this one, diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So it is a reducing agent. Say this, when the reactant is treated with diisobutyl aluminum hydride, we can get the product This is the given reactant. So dibol H followed by acidic hydrolysis. The product is this one. So bond breaking takes place here, one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, the oxygen converted to OH, C double bond O converted to CH2O. So option A is the answer for this. Next. Assertion: enol form of acetone is less stable and available only 0.15%. This is correct. Enol form of acetone, see this, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is keto form. This form we can write in this way also. This is enol form. En OH both are present, so this is called enol form. This is keto form. Keto group is present. So between these two, this form having less stability than this one. That's why acetone means we have to consider this structure, not this one, because its availability is only 0.15%, very less percentage. That's why stability is less. Assertion is correct. Reason: enol form of acetoacetic ester are relatively more stable than acetone and available 15.9% due to hydrogen bonding. Acetoacetic ester, take an example, CH3, CO, CH2, C double bond O, C2H5. This is ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. So this ethyl acetoacetate enol form is CH3, COH, double bond CH, C double bond O, C2H5. Say this. From this, one hydrogen is shifted to this oxygen, then C double bond O. This we can write in this way. Hydrogen is attached to this oxygen, double bond O converted to OH. Between these two, double bond is formed. Here also same thing. One hydrogen from this attached to oxygen, double bond O is converted to OH. Then we can get this structure. Now, this enolic form, this enol form is more stable than this one because it can exist with hydrogen bonding. See the hydrogen bonding in this enol form. CH3, COH, double bond CH, C double bond O, OC2H5. So between this hydrogen, this oxygen, attractive force is developed. This is nothing but hydrogen bonding. Due to this hydrogen bonding, this form is more stable than this form. Therefore, assertion, reason, both are correct. Then what is the suitable option? Option A is the answer. Next. Cyclohexanol. 1-methyl cyclohexane 1 mole is treated with H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Then what is the major product? Okay, say this, write the given reactant. This is the given reactant treated with 20% H3PO4. Then we can get E1 reaction takes place. E1 reaction OH is eliminated, then we can get carbocation. This carbocation further undergoes this change, then we can get this one, this one. So here it is Sedgwick product, Sedgwick alkene. What is Sedgwick rule? OH beta elimination takes place, then the product is alkene. Which type of alkene obtained as the major product? More substituted alkene is obtained as the major product in the beta elimination reaction. Then this is called Sedgwick rule. Here also this alkene is highly substituted than this one. That's why it is the major product. Next, see the next reaction, this one. 1-methyl 1-chlorocyclohexane. It is treated with tertiary butoxide, potassium tertiary butoxide. Then we can get the product, this one, plus here reagent is bulky reagent. Due to this bulky reagent, this is the major product. It is according to Hoffman alkene. Hoffman alkene. It is the major product in this reaction. Understand the difference between these two types of reaction. Here also elimination, this one also elimination. But here more substituted alkene obtained as the product. But here due to the presence of bulky alkyl group, bulky reagent, we can get less substituted alkene as the major product. This is according to Hoffman rule. This is according to Sedgwick rule. Then what is the answer? Suitable option for this? Option C is the answer. This one. Next. Which of the following will not show Hoffman bromide reaction? This is COCH3 group attached COCl, CONH2, Cn. So in these options, this COCH3 cannot form Hoffman bromide reaction to give primary amine. So option A is the answer for this. So say this. Double bond O CH3, it is treated with Br2NaOH, Br2 plus NaOH followed by heating and then ammonia. Then we cannot get the reaction. That means primary amine we cannot get. That's why option A is the answer for this. Thank you, students.